Lire Description.
I haven't written anything in a minute. My best thoughts lie in my lowest moments. A deep pot shoulder with ominous omens. Harmonious rhyme schemes about as bright as a high beam. I'm walking a tightrope and running a rat race, but coming in last place. Can tell you what that feel. The epitome of a congratulatory ribbon. Still is the sickest and some in the some. Isolated nigga second to none. Wandering looking for purpose. I'm lost, I know that for certain. Now take a look behind the curtains. More than me, see, I never beat the odds. I do believe in God. I've been around the block. I took a couple steps, I couldn't keep the pace. Bought in my post-traumatic rant, that's just manic depression. Can't pull myself out of this hole that I was fucking left in. My mind's a landfill of landmines. Watch where you step in. Wishing that sanity would intervene and fucking step in. You know, like pull me back when I'm regressing. 27 years old, I still make the same mistakes as an adolescent. I'm brain dead half the time, I'm just a convalescence. Coughing and stressing from the pressure, about to light the essence. I live in hell, it's hard to tell, this weed is heaven sent it. So fuck Alexa Pro, this indica's antidepressant. Non-selective, narcoleptic, narcissistic, non-objective. Been subjected to the old convictions, fucking intervention. Interjecting with some interesting, introspective thoughts that I think aloud, you think them too. I'm heaven bound and demon proof, must have been something in that water I was baptized in. I feel more than fatigued, I feel more than but free. Respution on my final ride, like why the fuck you keep adjusting my seats? I'm well aware the thoughts of speech become reality. Reactions to our energy is significant in the scheme. A dirty soul with rotten knees, the outcome ain't clean. Negative pessimistic shit is sick as HIV. Can have you on your deathbed with cold sheets and no pillow. Silly posturepedic, trying to fix your posture for you posthumous. About your court to meet the Lord. The list of sins you're paying for is more than you can afford, but hopefully the pasture's green and it's everything they described to us. Books written by men with sins, I hope they didn't lie to us. Rest easy.
Ah merde. Ouais, vas-y, déjà dit. L'essence.
I've never been a saint, I always been a sinner. I'm caught up in the race, I just never been the winner. And every other day gotta pay for a bad choice made. Thinking karma may be something to consider. And high school's done, I'm wishing I could go back. But all things go never last, and I know that. So that's why tonight is going down. So have another drink and buy another round. Take it for whatever it is, we do whatever we want. So raise another glass of the best days. Take it for whatever it is, I'm not tripping at all. I never gave a fuck in the first place. We just wanna party and drink all night and live it for the moment cause it feels so right. Take it for whatever it is, we do whatever we want. Raise a glass of the best days. Yeah, raise a glass of the best days. Raise a glass of the best days. Raise a glass of the best days. My attitude shit, my bank account zero. But everything's cool cause tonight I'm a hero. A Superman cape on a lowest lane chase. Maybe we can fly away to the stars, Galileo. Ayo, wait, we run around town chasing these skirts, save a moment like Kodak. So that's why tonight is going down. So have another drink and buy another round. Take it for whatever it is, we do whatever we want. So raise another glass of the best days. Take it for whatever it is, I'm not tripping at all. I never gave a fuck in the first place. We just wanna party and drink all night and live it for the moment cause it feels so right. Take it for whatever it is, we do whatever we want. Raise a glass of the best days. glass of the best.